What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing a brand new place where you can grab low content book interiors. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get here by going to the lcbvault.com. So, the brand new place to get low content interiors is actually Creative Fabrica. So if you know me at all, Creative Fabrica is one of my most used tools when it comes to creating low and no content books, because they have amazing fonts and they have amazing graphics that we can use to create our books. So I actually pay for Creative Fabrica every single month, and I'm still paying just because I absolutely love the service. Well, now they've recently added a brand new section on the website where you can get low content interiors. So I think this is pretty cool and a great move by Creative Fabrica. So if we come over here to graphics, just here, and scroll down, we can see just here the brand new section, KDP Interiors. So let's go ahead and actually click on that for a second. Now I actually see two ways of making money with this. One, using the interiors to actually sell on Amazon through KDP, and two is actually creating interiors to sell here on Creative Fabrica. Now I'm actually thinking of doing this over the next few weeks. You can never have too many income streams, but if I do decide to do that, create interiors to sell here on Creative Fabrica, then I'll also document that process of actually uploading, creating an account and actually selling here on Creative Fabrica. So if you're interested in that, then drop a comment down below letting me know. Anyway, let's take a look just here at all of the interiors so far. So far they have 3 pages, so not that many, but I'm guessing that over the next week, 2 weeks, month, 2 months, 3 months and so on, there's going to be so many more just here and some really nice interiors. Now if you want to come here to Creative Fabrica, I'm going to leave the link for this page down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase anything, I will make a small commission. Anyway, let's take a little look at these. So we have Gratitude Journal just here. We have Sudoku books, Health Tracker Journal, Smart To-Do List. So as we can see, there's actually some pretty good interiors. So if we scroll down more, we just got a normal standard journal. Then we got a mandala colouring book. Now with this, I don't know if I would get colouring books off here because you would have to completely customise them, otherwise they're going to be exactly the same as everyone else's. Maybe the same with Sudoku books. But the standard journals, so let's actually go back up to here, things like this gratitude journal you could easily customise. So let's actually go ahead and open that up. Let's take a little look at this and see what we get. So this looks pretty nice. It's ready to upload, and you do get the PDF and the InDesign file as well. So with these I would completely customize it. I'd customize the first page, maybe the actual interior if you had InDesign as well, just add in a few extra bits to make yours stand out. If you want to know how to customize a first page and merge it together with an interior, then I'll link a video right now in the right hand corner teaching you on how to do that. So let's actually scroll down. So this has actually been favorited over 9 times already, not surprised, but included you get the PDF line journal, which is 120 pages, and the InDesign file as well. Now if we scroll to here, there's some printables. We're not interested in that. Well, you might be, but anyway, this just seems like a really great move by Creative Fabrica. What do you think about this? Do you like the idea of Creative Fabrica now selling low content interiors? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so drop a comment down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.